Howdy. Do you want to know what the most difficult part of making a game is? It's pretty obvious, but it's actually like finishing it, right? Like you get so many ideas, like I'm gonna add this and then this and then this, and then like suddenly you're like, hey, you know what? I think I'm done. I think I'm done for right now. And then 3 weeks later, you're like, maybe I should work on it, and then you don't, and then you never work on it again. Happens a lot, right? Or maybe that's just me. But anyway, in order to combat this, I've decided to do a self-imposed 3-day game jam with me and my friend Ryan, with a little help from my friend Levi. Yeah. And we decided we're going to do a horror game because those are easy. You just have to make the player go, ah, and you sort of go, ooh, and then it's like you get in a Markiplier video or something. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Why is my hair bunching up like that? Anyway, let's get into it, Let's like pop on it. I don't know why I said it like that. Anyway, yeah.
Alright. So it is the end of the first day of this challenge that you already heard about because I just talked about it. And I will go over what I did. This rough layout hotel model was made by Ryan. He was working on the legs too for this area's little guy. And I did the picking up a key, picking up a note, and the whole like, oh, if you look at him he doesn't move, but if you don't look at him he does move, that sort of thing. So yeah, each one like the pick up key or whatever, it's very simple. So it's just if you're in the range you can pick up, if you're not in the range you can't pick up. If you press E and you're in range you pick it up, and then you can't pick it up anymore. It's really easy. It just adds it to a class called inventory, which is a list of items, and then it's just going to read it when you need to open a door or whatever. I stole this movement from another project that I made, and so it works pretty well, and I messed with it a little bit, like it would tilt your screen if you moved left or right, because that's just how it was. But yeah, that's simple. For this one, so I had it so that if it was like visible to the renderer, it wouldn't move, but that would also do that. It would only it would only move if you're facing completely away from it. If you were looking in its direction, even if it was behind a wall, it wouldn't move. So that didn't work, so I changed it so that it sends a raycast to the center of the object. Oh, this is not the right thing. There we go. So it sends a raycast to the center of the object, and if it hits it, then obviously you can see it, and so it won't move. But if it doesn't hit it, then it will move. The thing is, you can see just a tiny part of, like, obviously since it's the center, it's not looking for the entire thing. So it will move in your POV up until you can see the center of it. If I was a little more familiar with bounding boxes, I could take the position of each corner and then use that instead. But I am not familiar enough with that to do that, so that is out of the question. I started working on the door script, but I just haven't finished it. It should be really easy. Yeah. And that's it. It may seem short for one day, but we did a lot of planning and a lot of figuring stuff out. So tomorrow might be more stuff. Okay. All right, fellas. It's the end of the third day, and we have made amazing progress. It's not really the end of the third day because we started at 1 p.m., so the end of the third day would be 1 p.m. tomorrow. But effectively, our time is getting close to up. I have done. So my friend Ryan did the model of the hotel. It is beautiful, and the model of this guy, he is beautiful. I call him John Legs. I did the model of the player. I think he's pretty great. Anyway, so what we got here is we got the hotel. I got the nav mesh working so that this guy will actually follow the player and not like run into walls and shit like a dumbass. So that is awesome. I added a death state. I don't remember if I showed this last time, but I perfected the looking at him and him stopping. My friend Levi got all the audio I need for this. I guess it's sort of a demo because this definitely isn't the finished product. It's only one of 4 acts that we have planned. Anyways, I lost track of thought. Oh, yes. So, what I need to do is hook all these doors up to opening, put all the puzzles in place, do all this, add some conditional. Oh, I need to fix that clipping. Add some conditional stuff. You know, the intro, stuff like that. But effectively, the main stuff is done. I'll just show it off right now. It takes a second to load because there's a lot, but it'll get to it. So, hold on, let me pause this so I can give you a better view. Alright. As you can see, if I look away, he starts to follow me on the path. I can go this way, up the stairs. Starts to follow me. Stops when I can see him, you know. I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. He used to get stuck on this little lip right here, but that has been fixed. He's a little jittery sometimes. I'm unsure about that, but is what it is. But yeah, he can follow you all the way up. Look at my man. John Legs, really out here. Yeah, I mean that's about it. It's not done, obviously, but we're getting close. I'm definitely gonna have to give myself another day because I'm so close, but I just don't think I can finish it because I have other stuff I need to do tomorrow. I can't just work straight. But yeah, I will fix this right quick. You never go up there, so it doesn't really matter. Oh. Can you see that? Because that might matter. 1 second. Yep, that matters. Okay, so what I'm gonna do. So the stairs. Stairs are fine. You don't notice the stairs. But this is a part of the overall wall structure. So what I need to do is go into Pro Builder, make it a part of Pro Builder, and then I need to go face select, select this, detach, hold on, select this, this, and this. That should be good, I think. I'll detach it, then I'll delete, and yep. Perfect. That's all I need to do. Alright, yeah. Pro Builder is an absolute savior. I didn't think about the stairs situation. You know how you can't like walk upstairs, you have to make it a ramp. So I had to have Ryan extend the stairs a bit, and then I went in and used Pro Builder to delete the collision, and then I added a cube that I have at a slant as the ramp. And Pro Builder is actually amazing. I didn't know how just how good it was before, but it is a mighty fine tool in the Unity arsenal. Yeah, it took a long time to get this model in, there was a lot of hassle because it's such a big model and there's so many materials and whatever. And you can see some of it didn't turn out perfectly. But I'm pretty happy with how it went. And then we also got the PS1 shader, which looks great. Without the shader, it looks so bad. But the shader just really gives it its character. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. Tomorrow I'm gonna hopefully finish it up and have a demo worth playing. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Hello. It has been about 700 days, I think. Yeah, so I've been on this thing for a while. Obviously it hasn't been 700 days, it's been like a week. But I'm getting pretty burnt out. I been tweaking, managing. It's still kind of dog shit, but it's to a point where you can actually finish it. And that's all that matters to me. Because I'm tired of this. It definitely could be better. It definitely needs polishing. I will polish it. I will make it better. But for right now, I'm done. Yeah, so, I will show you, like, what kind of stuff we got going on. You know, notes, whatever. I tried to do an intro, but it kind of looked like shit. So I scrapped that. Maybe I'll do it. When you enter this room, Leggy spawns. I made it so that he has to be, like, if he's in the darkness, it doesn't count as him being visible, even if he's in your direct line of sight. Like so. The keys all work. The notes. Yeah, that happens. Oh, I see. It's because of this. Yeah. This little intro thing. I don't know. It's it can be better, but I'm tired of it. Yeah. There's so many conditional things that I needed to do, like, oh, if it's the door, you gotta do this. If it's the cheese, you gotta do that. If it's the case, you gotta do that. Blah blah blah. And I need to write a bunch of, like, you know, if you walk in this door, it says E to open door. I need to write some more specific things, like E to open fuse box, because you might get confused if it's door. And there's a case upstairs that you need 3 items to open. And right now, it says you can pick it up even when you can't. So I need to add something that says, like, oh, press E to pick up. Oh, wait, you don't have the items. Go get the items, smile. But I think all the notes are good at leading the player in the right direction. I had a lot of trouble with, like, the doors. They act funky sometimes. For some reason, the fuse upstairs will pick up at the same time as opening the door. I don't know why. It doesn't work like that for this one. But it's just that one. Not this door, but the fuse box door. For some reason, it just decides it wants to be picked up early. It's very strange. You see the audio is kind of funky sometimes. And I need more audio clips. It's just a whole lot of menagerie-do. But, yeah, I'm a little tired of this. So, yeah. For some reason, also, like, when you take the fuse upstairs, it's supposed to make the fog density a little greater. So that, it's a little spookier. Which is also something this game lacks right now. I don't think it's very scary. He can be intimidating at times, but most of the time he's just not that bad. I did get the nav mesh working. Works pretty well. I'm happy with it. I mean, anything else I need to talk about? I don't know what that is. Inventory. Yeah. I just have it so that when you walk in the janitor's closet, it spawns him. But yeah, I don't don't have that much more to say. I can show you some of the code. This one is supposed to increase fog density. For some reason it doesn't. It's not happening when you have fuse though. It's very strange. I was gonna make it so that it teleports him to a specific spot and then it blocks a bunch of the ways, so you have to take the long way through. But I haven't gotten to that yet. I still probably do that. I also need to make it so that, like, this door? No. This door. For a door like this, where there's nothing, I want to say, like, oh, it's barred, you can't open it. Same with this one, where there is something behind, but it is blocked. This one's really simple. You walk in that room and it spawns him. This one's also really simple. You walk in the range of a note and you can open it. Easy peasy. This is just the death screen. This is the pickup item. This area is for items that require another item, like the fuses. The bottom fuse in the case. And this is for ones that don't. I'm guessing this is where the change in, like, the top fuse, you can pick it up at the same time as you open the door, but the bottom fuse you can't. There's something different between these two. I'll probably just consolidate them into this one. Yeah, I mean, it's all pretty simple. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, that's it. It's, it is what it is. I'm sorry I didn't get more done. I'll work on it more eventually, but for the next couple of days, I really don't want to think about it. Yeah, if you have any recommendations on how I can make it, like, not ass, that would be awesome. Put that in the description. And if for some reason people actually see this and for some reason they want to try this, just, like, say something and I'll put the link out to, like, an itch.io page or something. I'm not going to make it right now because I don't expect anybody to want to play this, but in the off chance that there are some people that want to play this, just tell me. Yeah, so that's it. I'm tired. Okay. Thanks for watching my nothing video of nothing where nothing happens. Yeah. I'll see you when I get started on the next portion of the game. Hopefully that one won't be so ass. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Well, not bye, because I guess I'm going to talk to you again very shortly. Alright, so yeah, that's what I did. Took a little bit longer than 3 days, you know? But, yeah. I'm definitely going to work on it some more. My friend Ryan and I are figuring out what to do. I mean, like, we have so many ideas, and it's kind of amusing that we thought we could complete a significant portion of it in 3 days. But, yeah, we're definitely going to work on it some more. And, you know, if you want, I'll upload the itch.io. Originally, in the last video you just saw, I was really tired, and so I was like, it's so ass. But, you know, some people have said that it's, like, decent. So, you know, if you guys actually want to play it, I'll make an itch.io page for it. But, yeah. For the next portions, I'll try and be a little bit more involved with the videos, because this one probably wasn't super rewarding. I'm just not very organized, so it makes it difficult for me to make videos while I'm actually working on it. But I'll try and make it
a little bit more involved for the next portion. Yeah, other than that, I don't think I have anything else to say. I have other videos if you want to watch those. I have one where I made a Duolingo bot. That was pretty cool. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay. Bye. 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 See ya. Bye.